Hi, in previous video we looked into how to create a video lesson, and in this video we will go through how to create a content lesson using our editor. To add content lesson or any type of lesson, click on your course and at the top right corner click on create new lesson. Here you can choose which type of lesson you would like to add, but let's focus on the content lesson. Here fill out your name, code, and short and long description. Then click on Create. Now we can start creating the actual content of the lesson using our editor. Now choose your format, either a blank section or choose from already pre-made templates. I'll go with the blank section. And this is our editor. So let's go quickly through what the editor consists of so we can start creating the content. On the left panel you have your section, background, where you can change the background image or the color of the background, and a typography style. Then you have your section settings. Under the section settings you have your positioning tools and a remove section button. At the very bottom you have your layers button, which opens up a navigator where you can see all the layers related to each section. And right next to the layers button you can even add custom CSS. So let's move to the right side of the editor, where you have this small tab right here. When you click on the plus sign, you can either choose another blank section or choose from templates. You can also add any type of item, such as titles, images, audios, any type of social links, columns, etc. Use the second button to hide the left panel. And then you've got your undo and redo buttons. And in the last option, you have your zoom, and you can change the viewpoint so you can try how your content will look on other devices. You can change the theme from light to dark mode. And if you end up creating something that you would like to use in other projects, you can even save it as a template. I hope it all makes sense, so let's jump right into creating a very simple content lesson. So let's start with uploading our background image. You can try and adjust the image. You can adjust the transparency, the background size, and the position. Click on the plus sign to add the rest of the items, such as the title, and now we can add another blank section. And as you can see, the blank section has been added right here. You can adjust position of each section by using the positioning tools underneath the section settings. When scrolling up and down, check here in the section tab which section you are currently editing. Now we can start adding the rest of the items. When adding HTML file, you can either upload it from your computer or link it to an URL. When working with social links, you can change the individual icons as well as the link to your social account. Then just click on Save, and the content lesson should be done. What I suggest you to do is to really play around with all the settings and individual items so you know what the editor is capable of. If there is something really specific you would like me to show you, then just leave it down in the comments.